What is up, guys? FIFA is back, and today I will be showing you more of the highlights of the St. Patrick's Day packs that I opened. This was not like I opened it on the St. Patrick's Day after the previous recording, but I was like thinking I just felt like opening packs. So I was like recording just in case I got some stuff, which I did get. Really good stuff you will see later on. So I've already recorded this. I'm doing like a commentary about the pack opening right now, and after this I will be recording another video and uploading it up. So 2 videos will be uploaded today, and since you can see, there was the St. Patrick's Day Gibson and then the upgraded Sanchez, which was insane. It was really good, and Sanchez wasn't the best player that I got. You will see later on who I got. It was really insane. In this pack opening, I did get a lot of greens. Yeah, and it was quite good. And a 90 rated player. So yeah, I will go crazy when the time comes. But for now, I'll be talking more about the channel. So basically, FIFA Beast, this channel is just a FIFA iOS channel that I thought of doing. And actually, it has been going quite well, I have to say. I'm really pleased that I got 17 subscribers in, 2-3 months. Yeah, I'm really happy. I just hope my channel can continue growing, and that later on I can put in more animation, stuff like that. So like after I know how to do all the animations, because right now I'm still trying to find a good software programming thing where I can really super easily just like put my video in there, do some quick animation and boom. So if you guys have any very easy software, do put a link down below or tell me about it, because it will really help me out a lot. In this pack, I did get another pack with an inform and a green, which was really insane. Yeah, they aren't the best, but come on, they are a green and the pack look colorful. Stuff like that is quite nice. Okay. Yep, guys, you've seen it. You've seen the 90 rated player. Admire, he's just smiling at you. And I packed Robin. Yes, I packed Robin. That was really insane, man. I packed Robin. I freaked out. That's why there was like a pause out there. And I was so glad that I recorded that. I know you guys won't be able to see. So back to talking about my channel. So if you guys do have more software programming things that can help me out, I would really appreciate it, because I'm trying to find one right now and it hasn't really have results, because the programs that I did, I don't know how to do it, stuff like that. So yeah. And also do tell me down below what type of videos you guys look forward to. Like, it might be quite sickening to just keep seeing pack openings. Then I did 1 or 2 squad builders, and that's it pretty much. So yeah, I've been thinking if I wanted to do player reviews and all that stuff. So yeah, do tell me down below. And I did get a lot of Sniders in this pack opening. I don't know, it's just really weird. Snider is like the FIFA 14 Ryan Giggs, where every single pack you get Ryan Giggs, and now it's Snider. So yeah, I think it's coming to an end. Yep, it is coming to an end very soon. So yeah, if you have enjoyed this, please leave a like, subscribe. It will really help me out a lot. And like, yeah, just tell me what you guys look forward to in my videos. Like, what you guys will be like, oh, I go into YouTube and I want to see this, so I want to do that video. Everyone can see and enjoy my videos, and I am hoping one day that I can be quite successful in YouTube. So yeah, I believe this is the last pack. So yep, once again, you enjoyed it, please leave a like, subscribe if you're new, and see ya.